Welcome to trycatchfinally. Handle errors gracefully in Java. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without error handling, a single crash stops your entire program. How do we handle unexpected errors gracefully? Program crashes on any error, no way to recover from failures. Resources may not be cleaned up. Trycatchfinally lets you manage errors and ensure cleanup. How is trycatchfinally used in the real world? File operations. Handle missing files gracefully. Database connections. Ensure resources close properly. Network requests. Manage connection failures. Trycatchfinally powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without trycatchfinally? Program crashes when encountering unexpected errors. Look at how messy the code gets. Program crashes unexpectedly. No error recovery possible. Resources not cleaned up. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Trycatchfinally. Look how clean the code is now. Handle errors gracefully. Prevent program crashes. Clean up resources always. Compare the difference. And that is why we use trycatchfinally. Let's see how to implement trycatchfinally in code. Here is the implementation. Try block. Attempt risky code. Risky operation. Division by 0. Catch exception. Handle arithmetic error. Print error. Display exception details. Finally block. Always executes. Cleanup code. Final actions. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the purpose of a finally block? Which one is correct? The correct answer is finally block always executes after try/catch. What happens if an exception is not caught? Which one is correct? The correct answer is finally executes before uncaught exception crashes program. Which block is optional in trycatchfinally? Which one is correct? The correct answer is catch block can be omitted if finally is present. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is finally executes even after return in catch block. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.